New clip, old clip. See the tabs break off. And when that happens, the parking brake cables right here starts to rub on the dry shaft, and you can see the imprint here. Let me see if I can give you a better look. See that? It starts to rub, and then it makes this loud screeching noise inside the car. So here's a new one, and it's supposed to sit like this. And then the two parking brake cables will sit inside those grabbers. Just like that. And then they sit inside like that. And you're able to close it. I gotta raise it up. Okay, if you're hearing screeching or scratching noises inside the car, it's really coming from outside the car, underneath the dry shaft, well, above the dry shaft, and it's the parking brake cables rubbing against it because the holder broke.